I'm Kate Holmes. I'm an academic designer.
I'm Amy Hollingsworth. I am an academic designer.
Hands-on inquiry is kind of exactly what it sounds like. It's the opportunity for children to really get hands-on, work with manipulatives, and it also kind of branches out further into research opportunities, data analysis opportunities, and basically, it's exactly what it sounds like.
Within the inquiry spectrum, Inspire Science has multiple ways that a teacher can experience inquiry with their students. Within the Inspire program, labs and investigations can be structured, meaning that the student is given a question and a procedure to follow to come to an end result.
McGraw-Hill Education does offer kits with their Inspire Science program. They kind of make things a lot easier for teachers. Inside the kits, you can find things that aren't readily available in the classroom. For example, we have sterile soil students can use, hand lenses, a number of things. They really are time savers.
In the beginning of the module, it's outlined for the teachers what these items are in the kits so that teachers can effectively plan labs and investigations for their students to save time and prep so that really the core is the student learning and not the preparation.
Elementary teachers are offered within the teacher support options for when they're short on time. We have ideas of how to make something a demonstration. We offer things that teachers can do in order to make it short, or doing prep ahead of time in order for students to make the same observations they would as if they were doing it in the classroom for a full day or a full class period. We also offer some opportunities for teachers to integrate writing and math and make those connections as well.
The Middle School Inspire Science program offers teachers investigations and labs to perform with students to successfully engage them in the content. Investigations allow students to engage themselves in the content without the use of materials. Labs give students the opportunity to follow a procedure using materials to explore topics in science and analyze and conclude data they've collected and observations they've made through the manipulation of these materials.